Welcome, children. Welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So, dear children, today we are going to see addition and subtraction of fractions. Adding fractions with the same denominator. This is a very easy step. You have to just keep the denominator same and just you have to add the numerators. Examples are, as you can see in this example, we are having 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. You can see here this is an example of same denominators. So in this case we are just going to add the numerator part, that is 2 and 3. Just we'll add 2 and 3. We'll get 5. 5 upon 5 is again 1. In the another example, we are having 3 upon 8 and 7 upon 8. Here denominator is again same, so just we'll add the numerators 3 and 7. We'll get 10 upon 8. 10 upon 8 will simplify, will reduce it, we'll get 5 upon 4. Here we have divided with 2's table. 2 5's are 10, 2 4's are 8. So 5 by 4 is a simplified answer. Now moving to the next, adding fractions with unlike denominators. Just we have seen adding fractions with a like denominator, like means same denominator. Now if we are having, suppose denominators are not the same, then you have to use equivalent fractions. In the last session we have saw the equivalent fractions which do have a common denominator. To do this you just need to take out LCM, that is the least common multiple of the both denominators. To add a fractions with unlike denominator, you just need to get the same denominator. We'll go through the example. Here we are having example 3 by 2 plus 6 by 5. Here 2 and 5 are the unlike denominators. So we'll take LCM of 2 and 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So we want to make here the denominator as a 10. So we'll multiply with 5 to the first fraction, 3 by 2. We will make it as a equivalent fraction. 3 5's are 15, 2 5's are 10, and here we are going to make this denominator 5 also as a 10. So in order to make it 10 we need to multiply with 2. So at this step we get 15 upon 10 plus 12 upon 10. So now we get the denominator same at this stage. So we know that to add a like fractions we just need to add the numerators keeping the same denominator. 15 plus 12, that is 27. 27 upon 10, it is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than the denominator. So we'll write it into a mixed fraction. 10 2's are 20. 7 remains, 7 upon 10. Now we are having subtraction of fractions. Here we are having the example of subtraction of fractions. This is example 5 upon 6 minus of minus you have to do 2 upon 15. You are going to subtract 2 by 15 from 6 upon 5. So again I will take LCM of 6 and 15. 6 and 15's LCM will be 30. So I am going to make them equivalent fractions by multiplying the first fraction by 5 and multiplying another fraction by 2. In this case I'll get a equal denominator right here. 25 upon 30 minus 4 upon 30. You just need to get the subtraction done here, right? Because denominators are equal now. 25 minus 4 is 21 upon 30. That we have simplified, we get 7 upon 10. Here we are having one more example. 11 upon 15 minus 3 upon 5. Here these are the unequal denominators. So we'll make it equal to this 3 upon 5. We can multiply with 3. So I am going to multiply it with 3. So I'll get here multiplication done. So now 11 upon 15 minus 9 upon 15. I got the same denominator here. So once I get the like denominators, I need to get it subtracted numerator. 11 minus 9, I'll get a 2. 2 upon 15 proper fraction I get after subtraction. Hope you have understood it. Thank you.